First of all, a heartily good morning to all. My name is Kaustubh Nigam and I am a student of MED, Christ College, Bhopal. So today my topic is on concept of education. Basically concept of education क्या होता है, तो हम इसके बारे में जानेंगे और आगे उसका कॉन्सेप्ट समझेंगे. जैसे कि concept of education basically ये कहता है कि education is a systematic process through which individuals acquire knowledge, skills, values, attitude, and habits that enable them to develop intellectually, socially, morally, emotionally, and physically. It is a fundamental to personal growth and societal development. Now, let's talk about the meaning of education. The word education is derived from the Latin word educare, to bring up to knowledge, and Latin educare, to draw out, bringing out the inner abilities. Latin educatum, the act of teaching or training. Thus, education means both drawing out initiate potential and providing external knowledge. Now, the definition of education. Many scholars have given the definition, so few of them which I discuss now. Scholarly views, philosophy definition, प्लेटो द्वारा जो दी गई है वो डेफिनेशन ये है कि एजुकेशन डेवलप द बॉडी माइंड एंड सोल. एरिस्टोटल, education is the creation of a sound mind in a sound body. Gandhiji, education should develop the head, heart, and head. John Dewey, education is a continuous process of living, not preparation for future living. एंड नेक्स्ट इज मॉडर्न डेफिनेशन भी होती है इसकी, जब हम कहेंगे एजुकेशन इज अ लाइफ long process of growth and development. It involves both formal instruction and informal learning from life experiences. Now, the characteristics of education. Basically क्या क्या characteristics होते हैं education के? So, जैसे कि पहला होता है जैसे lifelong process, begins at birth and ends at death. Dynamic, changes with society, technology, and culture. Bilateral, involves both teachers and learner. Continuous reconstructions of experience. Learners modify behavior through experience. Development of the whole person intellectually, physically, emotionally, morally, and socially. Social process prepares individual for participation in society. Now, what are the aims of education? So, the aims are of many types. First, we can discuss the individual aims. Individual aims का क्या होते हैं? जैसे कि डेवलपमेंट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी, इंटेलेक्चुअल ग्रोथ, फिजिकल डेवलपमेंट होना चाहिए, इमोशनल एंड मोरल डेवलपमेंट इज ऑल्सो वेरी नेसेसरी, क्रिएटिविटी एंड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. सेकेंड होता है सोशल एम्स का क्या होता है? सोशलाइजेशन एंड कल्चरल ट्रांसमिशन, preparing responsible citizen, promoting social harmony and values, economic development, national integrations. vocational aims क्या क्या होते हैं? skill development, employability, professional competencies. और अब अपन आखिरी बात करेंगे जैसे moral and spiritual aims, honesty, discipline, empathy, developmental of conscience. Now, we can we can talk about the types of education. Now, the types of education we can tell about: formal education, structured curriculum based, takes place in schools, colleges, universities, has grades, examination, certificates, etc. And informal education, learning from family, environmental media, society, etc. No specific curriculum, lifelong and natural. Non-formal education, organized flexibly, learning outside from formal some system. Example, adult education, vocational training, community programs, etc. Now we talk about the functions of education. Social functions that are transmits culture and tradition, promotes social changes, reduce inequalities. Economic functions produce skilled manpower, improves productivity and income, supports economic development. Individual functions are enhance self-confidence, develops problem-solving abilities, promotes self-discipline and creativity. Political functions develops democratic values, prepare citizens to participate in governance. As the importance of education, what is about. So importance are reduce poverty, increases employment opportunities, strengthens democracy, promotes global understanding, enhance equality of life, encourage innovation and technology. So now we talk about the modern concept of education. लर्नर सेंटर्ड अप्रोच हो सकती है, कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड लर्निंग कर सकते हैं, 21st सेंचुरी स्किल्स जो कि क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, कम्युनिकेशन, कोलैबोरेशन, क्रिएटिविटी एक्सेट्रा। इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन हो सकता है, डिजिटल एंड ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन दिया जा सकता है, एजुकेशन फॉर सुटेबल सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट किया जा सकता है, ESD। सो now we talk about the modern concept of education. Lastly, I would like to learner centered approach conclusion is education is not merely the acquisition of knowledge. First century skills of critical thinking, communication, shape collaboration, creativity, responsible education हो सकता है, digital and online education दिया जा सकता है, education for stable sustainable development हो सकता है। Thank you.